Hello once again. This is Anshul Kumar and welcome back to Nextgen Digital. So today's video is going to be all about Evernote's new release on Windows and Mac. As many of you know, Evernote has been working quite hard in the background to rebuild the code base and its foundations. They released, or at least started, the process of updating their applications with the iOS 1 first, and now they've moved on both the Windows as well as Mac. The Android version is expected to be released in the next couple of weeks as per Evernote. Before I get into this, I created a video by the name of The Future of Evernote and went really harsh on them. I think I made it too early, but I'm so pleased with the current version. I will leave the link of this video in the comment section as well as a card up here. The new Evernote for Web and Mac brings in plenty of promise and has an exciting user experience. So without any further delay, let's check out the new and fresh Evernote together. The appearance is evident and has improved the way that the headers and tables look. They've also made it a standardized font colors and highlight options inside of all the devices. Apparently, checklists have got a special treatment, giving the ability to indent stuff and make it smoother to access the checklists that you've created. One thing Evernote did inside of the editor before is actually redesigned the format bar completely. So things are more accessible and clearer in the front as well as in the center. They also have that new insert button where you have access to various other functions that will be useful to you. In terms of speed, Evernote has improved the search suggestions. So if you're looking for a specific note, you'll be able to find it faster. You can also filter your search by tags, attachments, PDFs, as well as URLs. If you want, you can also combine keyword tags as well as location. In terms of look and feel of Evernote, you will get the same look across all your devices. This is a huge positive according to me. You can also change the default width of the note inside of your application, so whether you're on Windows or Mac. This brings consistency to the application across Web and Mac. During my beta testing, I found it to be a lot efficient than it was before. And specifically for me, the speed of being able to access notes by just scrolling quickly, both on Windows as well as Mac. Finding a note is actually much better, and that's probably based on their cloud improvements, but definitely something a much improved upgrade from last time. The web clipping, working with checklists, new highlighting options, introduction of blocks, and moving them seamlessly are some of the other features I've started loving it. Anyway, folks, a big thank you, and hopefully you enjoyed today's video. And I'm sure you're enjoying the new version of Evernote if you have already started using it. Let me know your thoughts in the comment section below. I know some people are having some issues with some bugs and some issues related to the legacy notes getting access into the new version. So do let me know in the comment section how are you getting a feel of it. Also, I've done some earlier videos on Evernote and will leave links in the description section below. Do check out the one where I'm talking about creating customized dashboards in Evernote for quick and easy access for your notes. Please take a moment to subscribe to Nextgen Digital and feel free to like and share this video also. I will see you again next Thursday with a new production. Have a great one.